Airports are filled with secrets, but most travelers have no idea they're making huge mistakes before they even step on the plane. From security scanning hacks that can speed up your TSA check, to hidden airport tricks that airlines don't want you to know. And yes, even the outfit you're wearing right now could get you flagged at security. These are 12 airport secrets that could change the way you travel forever. So stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. Let's talk about one of the biggest hidden travel mistakes, your shoes. Because the wrong pair can turn security into a nightmare, slow you down, and even ruin your entire flight. Flip-flops? TSA's worst enemy. One wrong step, and they're flying off your feet. Plus, do you really want to walk barefoot where thousands of travelers have stepped? Spoiler, you don't. Socks are your secret weapon. If you insist on wearing sandals, at least throw on some socks, because airports are basically giant germ factories. The name of the game is speed. You don't want to be that person holding up the line, fumbling with laces, or yanking off knee-high boots while TSA sighs impatiently. If your shoes slow you down, they're the wrong shoes. Choose wisely, move fast, and travel like a pro. Let's talk about something that might be ruining your airport experience, your pants. And no, I'm not talking about those parachute pants buried in your closet from the 90s. I mean belt-dependent pants. Or worse, suspenders. Nobody wants to be that person fumbling with a belt buckle while TSA taps their foot impatiently. Seriously, who still wears suspenders? Unless you're a magician pulling rabbits out of your hat, skip them. The goal? Make security a breeze. The less you have to remove, the faster you fly through. Pick pants that stay up on their own. Think joggers, stretch-fit chinos, or even those fancy athleisure pants everyone's rocking these days. Because when it comes to airport security, every second counts. So ditch the belt, keep it simple, and glide through like a pro. Now let's talk about what's underneath those pants, your base layer. This is crucial, people, especially if you live in a place where the weather can be unpredictable. You might be sweating bullets outside, but inside that airport, it's a different story. The AC can be brutal. Choose a base layer that's comfortable even when your outerwear is off. A light t-shirt, a tank top, something breathable. And for the love of all that is holy, avoid wearing a heavy sweatshirt without an undershirt. You don't want to be that person stripping down to their bare chest at security. Awkward. Pockets, everywhere. They seem so convenient, right? But trust me, when it comes to airport security, too many pockets can be your downfall. Think about it. Every time you go through the scanner, you're basically asking to be patted down if you've got something in every single pocket. So, ditch the cargo pants, ditch the multi-pocket vests, and keep it simple. Choose clothing with minimal pockets, and only put essential items in them. Look, I'm all for expressing yourself, but the airport security line is not the place to make a statement. Leave the t-shirts with offensive language, violent images, or controversial messages at home. You might think it's funny, but trust me, the TSA agents have seen it all, and they're not laughing. Keep it neutral, keep it classy. We're talking about those flashy belts with the giant buckles, those studded jackets, those metal-tipped boots. You might look like a rock star, but to the metal detectors, you look like a walking alarm system. And don't even get me started on excessive jewelry. Leave the bling at home, people. The less metal you're wearing, the less likely you are to set off the alarm and get a personal pat-down. I know, flowy pants and maxi skirts are super comfortable, but when it comes to airport security, they can be a real pain. They get caught on things, they drag on the floor, and they just generally slow you down. If you're set on wearing a skirt, consider layering with shorts underneath. That way, if you have to remove your skirt for whatever reason, you're not left standing there in your underwear. And speaking of things that get caught, let's talk about headphones. Take them off before you even get to the scanner. Alright folks, this is the big one, the game changer, the hack that will revolutionize your airport security experience. Invest in a jacket with large pockets. This isn't just any jacket, it's your new best friend for travel. And I'm not talking about those tiny pockets that can barely fit your phone. We've all been there, trying to squeeze in our essentials and failing miserably. I'm talking about pockets that can hold your wallet, your phone, your passport, your headphones, your snacks, basically your entire life. Imagine having everything you need right at your fingertips, neatly organized and easily accessible. Here's how it works. When you get to security, you take off your jacket, throw everything from your pockets into the jacket, and then send it through the scanner. No more fumbling with trays or worrying about losing your valuables. Boom! Everything is secure, everything is organized, and you can breeze through security without a care in the world. It's a simple trick, but it makes a world of difference. So next time you're packing for a trip, don't forget your trusty jacket with large pockets. You'll thank yourself later. Look, I get it. Boots are cool, they're stylish, and sometimes they're even necessary, especially if you're traveling to a cold destination. But let's be real, they're also a major pain in the, well, you know, if you can avoid wearing boots to the airport, do it. Your feet will thank you. But if boots are a must, here's a pro tip. Pack a pair of disposable plastic slip-ons in your carry-on. That way, when you have to take off your boots at security, you can slip these on and keep your feet clean and dry. Okay, so you've made it through security like a boss. You're feeling good, you're feeling confident. But before you break out the victory dance, let's talk about the flight itself. Just because an outfit is TSA approved doesn't mean it's going to be comfortable for a long flight. Trust me, you don't want to be stuck on a transatlantic flight in those skinny jeans you wore to breeze through security. Check out the link in the description for a whole other video on what to wear on the plane. All right, folks, now it's your turn. I want to hear your best TSA hacks, your airport security horror stories, your go-to travel outfits. Drop them all in the comments below. Let's share the knowledge, let's help each other out, let's make air travel a little less stressful for everyone. And hey, while you're down there in the comments, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future travel hacks, tips, and adventures. Because let's face it, life's too short to waste time standing in airport security lines. So there you have it, 12 TSA hacks that will have you feeling like a VIP the next time you fly. Remember, it's all about being prepared, being efficient, and maybe, just maybe, having a little bit of fun along the way. Because let's face it, travel should be exciting, not excruciating. Now go forth and conquer those airport security lines, my friends. And if you see someone struggling to unbuckle their sandals, do them a favor and point them to this video. We're all in this together. Peace out! Did you know that millions of bags vanish into thin air at airports every year? Not lost, not delayed, stolen. And the worst part? You might be next. Think about it. You check in your luggage, hand it over like a trusting little lamb, assuming it'll magically reappear at your destination. But what if it doesn't? Right now, there's an entire underground industry profiting off stolen luggage. Right under our noses. We're talking millions of dollars worth of belongings gone every single year. But today, you're not going to be a victim. Because trust me, by the end of this, you'll know 9 foolproof strategies to keep your bag safe from even the sneakiest airport bandits. But before we jump in, make sure to subscribe so you'll never miss the latest travel updates. First things first, we gotta talk about your luggage game. Not all bags are created equal, my friends. Some are practically begging to be broken into. Avoid those soft-sided bags like the plague. They might seem convenient, but a thief with a sharp object can slice through that fabric like it's butter. You want a hard-shell case. Think polycarbonate or aluminum, the kind of material that makes a thief say, nah, not worth the effort. And double zippers? Non-negotiable. Those single zipper bags are practically an open invitation for trouble. Here's a pro tip. Look for bags with anti-theft interlocking zippers. These bad boys are designed to make a thief's life way harder. We're talking about cutting those theft attempts in half. And lay off the external pockets, all right? I know they're super convenient, but they're also super convenient for someone who wants to snatch your stuff. Keep it sleek, keep it minimal. Less is more when it comes to deterring those sticky fingers. Okay, guys, time to get real. There's this sneaky little tactic thieves use called the pen trick, and it's as simple as it is effective. They take an ordinary ballpoint pen, wedge it into your zipper, and bam, they're in. It's enough to make you want to travel with a safe on wheels. But hold on, don't panic just yet. We got this. The key is to make your zippers as impenetrable as possible. That means investing in luggage with anti-puncture zippers. These things are like armor for your belongings. And for the ultimate peace of mind, consider going zipperless. Yeah, you heard me right. Zipperless luggage uses latches or combination locks, making it a whole different ballgame for would-be thieves. Sure, it might cost a bit more, but can you really put a price on peace of mind? Alright, let's talk TSA-approved locks. I know what you're thinking, Casey, those things are a joke, right? And yeah, some of them are flimsy and easy to break, but here's the thing. A locked bag sends a message. It tells a thief, hey, this might take some time, and time is something they don't have. Go for a tamper-resistant, heavy-duty lock. None of that cheap plastic crap. Look for combination locks over key locks. Because let's face it, losing a key on vacation is like a rite of passage. And if you want to go full Fort Knox, add a cable lock to the mix. This secures your zippers to a fixed point on your bag, making it a real pain in the ass for anyone trying to get in. Trust me, a little deterrence goes a long way. Chapter 4. Security tape and tamper-evident seals. Low-tech, high-impact. Don't underestimate the power of the simple things. We're talking about security tape and tamper-evident seals. These bad boys are like a visual alarm system for your luggage. Security tape is your new best friend. Slap it along the seams of your bag or over the zipper. If someone tries to break in, they'll have to rip through that tape, leaving behind a trail of evidence. Tamper-evident seals are like those void-if-removed stickers, but for your luggage. They show if your bag has been tampered with, giving you some peace of mind. And here's a pro tip. Use bright-colored or personalized seals. Makes it even more obvious if someone's been messing with your stuff. Chapter 5. GPS trackers and smart luggage. Technology to the rescue. We live in a world of technology, people. So why not use it to our advantage? GPS trackers and smart luggage are game changers when it comes to luggage security. GPS trackers are like little guardian angels for your belongings. You slip one of these tiny devices into your bag and boom, you can track its location in real time. Some even send you alerts if your bag moves outside a designated area. Talk about peace of mind. And then there's smart luggage. These suitcases are like something out of a spy movie. Built-in GPS, USB charging ports, electronic locks you can control with your phone. They've got it all. Some even have proximity alerts, so you'll know if your bag is moving without your permission. Chapter 6. Don't check in what you can't afford to lose. Seriously, don't do it. This one should be a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how many people make this mistake. Never, and I mean never, check in anything you absolutely cannot afford to lose. We're talking passports, money, electronics, jewelry, important documents, the works. Keep those essentials in your carry-on, where you can keep a close eye on them. And while you're at it, pack a change of clothes and some basic toiletries in your carry-on too. That way, if your checked bag decides to go on an adventure of its own, you'll at least have the essentials covered. Sometimes the best way to protect your belongings is to make them look less appealing. We're talking about going incognito with your luggage. And no, I don't mean stuffing it under a trench coat and talking in a funny voice. A luggage cover can be your best friend here. Opt for a design that makes your bag look worn out, old, or just plain uninteresting. The goal is to make it blend in with the crowd and not scream, "Hey, I'm full of expensive goodies." Slap some stickers on there too. A simple fragile sticker or some random travel stickers can work wonders. It's all about making your bag look less like a target and more like something that's been dragged around the world a few times. Before you even think about checking in that bag, channel your inner detective and document everything. I'm talking about a full-blown photo shoot of your luggage and its contents. First, take a picture of your packed bag. That way, if it gets lost or stolen, you have proof of what was inside. Next, make an inventory list. Write down all the valuable or essential items in your bag. This will come in handy if you need to file an insurance claim. Don't forget to snap a photo of the outside of your bag too. Get a good shot of any distinctive features or markings. This will help identify your bag if it gets lost in the shuffle. Last but not least, let's talk about travel insurance. I know, it's not the most exciting topic, but trust me, it's worth its weight in gold if something goes wrong. When you're choosing a travel insurance policy, pay close attention to the coverage for lost or stolen luggage. Some policies only cover the cost of replacing your luggage, while others also cover the value of the items inside. Make sure you understand your airline's baggage policy too. Some airlines offer compensation for delayed bags, but the amount can vary depending on the airline and the circumstances. Do your research, people. So there you have it, folks. 9 proven strategies to keep your luggage safe from those pesky baggage bandits. Remember, preventing luggage theft is all about being proactive. Don't wait until it's too late to take action. Travel is about exploring new places, experiencing new cultures, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Don't let the fear of luggage theft hold you back from your next adventure. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever been the victim of luggage theft? Or do you have any other tips and tricks to share with the community? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.